It's really good.
Yeah, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and juicy, tender. So today we're going to be using some delicious, beautiful looking skirt steak to make our carne asada. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make our carne asada marinade, which we have here. And we're going to start with this bowl. We have some olive oil, lime, we have some minced garlic, oregano, cumin, onion powder, chipotle powder, balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, and our good old cilantro. Oh, and the orange juice. So we're gonna go ahead and combine these ingredients, get them all stirred up, and we'll be ready to pour it on our meat. Last thing is our oregano. We take that, we rub it in our fingers to activate it, release those aromatics, put that in there. Now we mix. Just give it a nice good stir. Make sure everything is mixed together well. Smells, ooh, so delicious, so delicious. Smells so awesome, man. This is gonna be so good. All right, now we take our marinade and we will just kind of sprinkle it on our meat. Kind of pour it around, make sure we coat everything. Then we'll come back and rub it in. Now it's gonna stick to the meat, it's gonna coat it nicely. And all these little bits are gonna stick this meat fiber. See the fibers in the skirt steak? So all of the marinade is just gonna stick to it. So good. Look at that. You don't have to do a lot of work here. Pretty much the work is done. Look at that. The work is done, okay? What we're gonna do is let this sit in the refrigerator for about an hour, and we're gonna fire up the grill and get it real hot. What we wanna do is we wanna go hot and fast with these. Hot and fast. Look at that. Ooh, it's amazing. Ooh wee. Look at that delicious skirt steak. Ooh wee, let's go. Now, you don't have to use skirt. You can always use something like flat meat, or you can use, other cuts of steak if you want, but flat meat seems to be pretty popular. But we're gonna use skirt today, pretty popular as well. So we're gonna go ahead and let this sit for an hour in the refrigerator. I'll quit playing with it, and then we'll get to cooking. Okay, so I'm back from my little break, and it's time to go ahead and cook this great skirt steak that we've been marinating for an hour. So hold on though, hold on. Break time, break, hold on. Blow the whistle. All right, you know, that break time, if it's going down, let's get it over with. All right, back to work. So I pulled out the skirt and let it sit for a couple minutes to warm up a little bit. Now we're gonna go to the grill and do some cooking. All right, here's the backyard you guys haven't seen in a while. They're putting up another house right here, another one. And they're gonna put one right here too, of course, in between here. And they're gonna ruin my sunsets. They already have, but whatever, progress, right? That's the way the world works. All right, so we're over here on the pit boss. We got this sucker good and hot. Ooh-wee. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these two skirts, and we got two skirts. Gonna go ahead and get the bowl here, take two skirts, and we're gonna lay that whole skirt on the grill. The whole thing, all the way across, okay? All right, let's get it all the way across there. Boom, like that, all right? All the way across the grill. Look at that skirt. Man, big piece of meat, right? It's nice. All right, got it all the way across the grill. We can let it cook up nice like that. We're only gonna flip it once, all right? We're gonna fire it up like this. We're gonna do one flip on it, and then we're gonna be done. So let's leave it down. Let's go ahead and cook that. Woo, woo, woo. And we got a whole nother skirt left. Whew. All right, let that cook up. Look at the rascals. See them over here with their telephones. All right, let's see what we have. Woo-wee. Skirt is looking good. Cooking nice and hot. Look at that. Now it's a pretty thin piece of meat, so you know we're gonna do probably 3 minutes per side. Then we're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna pull it. And that's it. Sound good? Okay, sound good. Thank you. Thanks for agreeing. All right, so we're about 4.5 minutes per side on this side, so we're gonna go ahead and do a flip. Ooh, look at all that juice. Oh my goodness, look at that flank, boy. Shit. And what you're starting to see is you're starting to see the fibers tighten up, right? This was really long, and now you see it's a little shorter now, right? The fibers are starting to tighten up as we cook it. So what we want to do is kind of move it away. This is a hot spot here, so this is going to be well done, almost overdone. So if we can, let's kill that. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. The heavy duty foil. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up, let it rest for about 5 minutes. We're gonna cut into it while we cook the other one. We're cooking with Crisco. Not really. Who fucking uses Crisco anymore? Does anybody actually use Crisco? If anybody uses Crisco, put that in the comments, man. I don't know if anybody actually uses that shit. What is Crisco anyway? Vegetable oil? Vegetable paste? What the fuck is Crisco? Anyway, if you use Crisco, put that in the comments if you cooking with Crisco still. Because, you know, we're cooking with charcoal pellets and wood pellets. We're not cooking with Crisco. You're not my mama. Maybe you are my mama. Mom, if you watch this, start watching my shit. Did you see Shania's Pueblo diorama? It's so cool. And she even put a fire pit so we can grill up some meat. Check it out. Look at that. I like it, Shania. It's pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and check out our Carne Asada skirt. Look at that. Ooh, man, that smells amazing. Holy moly. All right, so we're gonna take this and we'll put it right here on the board. Let's take a look at that. Take a look at that skirt. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this in half. That way we can have room to work. The board's not that big. All right, now what you want to do is you want to make sure you cut this against the grain, okay? You see the grain going this way? See the grain going this way? Now we can always cut this way once, just so we can make some room. But when you cut, you want to cut this way against the grain, okay? So we'll go ahead and cut against or with the grain that way again. That way we can have some room. But then here we want to cut against the grain, okay? So here, like this, okay? Cut against it. Be nice and tender meat. If you don't cut against the grain, your meat's gonna be chewy and you're gonna wish you cut against the grain, okay? All right, look at that. Look at that, all right? That looks fantastic. Uh-oh, not one of those demon pieces that got away. Hey, if it's going down, you know what it is. Ooh, wait. That is so delicious. So delicious. Ooh, it's taco time, baby. Wait, hold on. The rascals. I had to call in my special agents, Victor and Shania. They're gonna try this out. They're gonna help me out here. So, see if I can get them each a piece here. Ugh. All right, try that. What'd you think? Good?
Great.
Chew it up nice.
Really good.
Yeah, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and juicy, tender?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the rascals like it. So we're gonna go ahead and get some tacos together. Let me grab some stuff and we'll get tacos together, slice this stuff up. We're gonna have some good stuff. All right, so what you think? What you think over there? Shania? She had some. So what What you think?
Probably the best taco I've ever had.
Best taco ever? My goodness. What about you, sir? What do you think? Oh, talking with your mouth full, so you gotta wait on him, see if you get a response from this guy. What you think?
Best taco ever.
Best taco ever. I got a best taco ever twice. You guys gotta try it. I need to try it. I haven't even tried it myself. Hold on a second. All right, we're ready. Here's the taco. It stopped falling. Ready? Let's try it. Definitely the best taco I've ever made, that's for sure. Man. The flavors, I got that right, folks. Woo! I'm gonna call myself the Taco Grand Champion. That is super good. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, tell me what you think. What can I improve on? What you like, what you don't like. Give me all the haterism you got in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one. My daughter is over here staring and laughing at me, dude. Look at her. She thinks it's funny. Everything's funny. Just go over here and check her out. What you doing?
Making fire.
Oh, fire, huh? She's making fire in the house for her diorama. She's diorama project is due tomorrow, so she's working diligently on her fire pit.